Hello everyone. So this tutorial is about adding Moodle is about adding videos to Moodle environment. The activity is in week 1, so we have to go to week 1. Because week 1, January 14th to January 20th. Scroll down. The activity is in week 1. We have to go to the activity, which editor on Moodle. Click on it. Scroll down. Of course, here is the activity. Here is the video. Exploring the editor on Moodle. Click on it. Okay. So here is the video. Enregistrement recording 6. We have to here is the video, of course. But we have to take the link from YouTube, so let's go back to 1. So we are back in the main course, and here is YouTube. Okay, we'll look for that video. Okay, so the video is 6. Click on that video. And here you can share, partager, or you can add it from here. Okay, you can also copy it. You can just copy the link from here. Okay, so click on share and click on share. Okay, you can copy it. You can copy it from there. Okay, and we go back to our main activity. Add videos, and then we open video. We have here add video. Insert Moodle media, click on it. Okay, so find some video, so click on that. So we have YouTube here, click on it. Search for video. That's the link. Okay, search. Here is the video. Okay, that's it. Select this file. To select this file. After that, where is the file? Voila. The file is here, then insert. Okay, and it's there. Look, it looks like. But when we add the post to forum, it will change. And here is the video, of course. Thank you for I hope it's instructive. I hope that the procedures are clear. Thank you very much.